Hello retouchers, you're welcome to my channel once again. So in today's tutorial video, we are going to be retouching this amazing picture together. Okay, so I will show you guys how I retouch this beautiful picture right here. From this is the raw picture. Okay, so I got this. Okay, so beautiful. Then from this, I got this. Okay, and from this to this. Okay, so step by step we are going to be retouching it one after the other. Okay, so this is the raw picture here. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button. Okay, so you're going to be retouching this picture with this my all-in-one retouching preset right here. Okay, so if you haven't downloaded this my all-in-one preset yet, then check my channel description. Okay, so download and let's retouch. Okay, so to retouch this amazing picture right here, I'll be making use of the first frequency separation in this my presets, okay, which is this advanced frequency separation. Okay, so I click on it. Okay, so it will load and pause here. So guys, if you don't have this my preset and you have a preset that you use that contains these types of frequency separation, you can follow along. Okay, so it will load and pause here, allowing you to choose the amount of blur that will be okay for your image. Okay, so here we will choose the amount of blur that blur the texture, and also we'll be seeing it but not that much. Okay, so this is frequency separation. We are separating the texture from the tone, keeping the tone on different layer and the texture on another layer. Okay, so making it possible to work on the tone without affecting the texture. Okay, so yeah, we are choosing the amount of blur that will be okay, so it doesn't have any specific amounts. Okay, so for the sake of this picture, this 8 is okay. As you can see, 8 here blurs the texture, okay, but not that much. Okay, I'm still seeing the texture. So once you get to the level like this, you hit okay. Okay, it has finished loading. Okay, if you are using my preset, it will give you a message direct you what to do and how to set your mixer brush. Okay, click continue. As you can see, it automatically pick the mixer brush. Okay, so here right now, my weight is on 60, my load is on 60, my mix is 100, my flow is 60. Okay, if you have a setting that works for you, you can follow along, but you can as well try my settings. Okay, so let's work on this image quick. Okay, so guys, if you are retouching, always make sure you follow the direction of the face. As you can see, her face is round. Okay, you can see how the face is round. You can see how the face is round. Okay, so we retouch according to the face. Okay, so this is how we brush. Okay, so let's retouch. So start from the face. Okay, so when you are retouching, try everything possible to make it look realistic. Okay, don't over retouch and change the original look. Always make sure you do high-end retouching. Make sure that when you are done retouching your image, the image will still be looking real but more beautiful. Okay, so step by step, as you're watching this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, share, drop a comment, drop your thoughts about this tutorial, and if you have any other tutorial you want to see here in this channel, you can as well drop it in comment section. Okay, and when you're working on the nose, you have to be careful with the nose. Okay, so you work on the nose very soft and lightly. Okay, so you won't spoil the nose, because the nose is somehow fragile. Anything that affects the nose during retouching will change the whole look of the picture. Okay, So you can see I'm moving according to the shape of the face, okay? And when you are brushing this way, always work shadow with shadow and highlight with highlight. Okay, you don't mix shadow to highlight, and also you don't mix highlight to shadow.
It's all in the rhythm and the art of the blow. One wink, one smile, you're hypnotized by the way I love with my eager eyes. I'll blow your meat, no need to ask. You'll be pulling the sheets out your ass so high you'll think you've passed. I'll suck it so hard you're pulling the sheets out your ass. Hold on, honey, this thrill's built to last.
As you can see, the light is somehow well balanced on this image. There is no much harsh highlight on her face. Everything is well balanced. And when you are retouching, don't forget to be checking your before and after, so you see what you are doing so far. Before, after. Okay, so let's continue. We're almost there. Remember, we'll try everything possible to make the image look more beautiful and also realistic at the same time. And that is what retouching is all about.
You'll be writhing and shouting flat on your back, so high you'll think it's your last. I'll swallow you so deep you're pulling the sheets out your own. Baby, hang on tight, it's a real sweet blast. A little lick and a little time. Boy, your place or mine. You'll be seeing stars, hearing bells, gripping on the bed like a carousel. I'll suck you so well, no need to ask. You'll be pulling the sheets out your
So let's work on this body. So we are coming back to the face again. We are coming back to the face. So you move front and back over and over till you get to its satisfaction. You get to the results that you're looking for.
in your dreams. My kind of love is sweet and loud, enough to make a tough man stand proud. No school taught me what I know. It's all in the rhythm and the art of the blow. One wink, one smile.
Okay, so let's check before, after, before, after. Okay, so let's mix a little.
No need to ask. You'll be pulling the sheets out your ass so high you'll think you've passed. I'll suck it so hard you're pulling the sheets out your ass. Hold on, honey, this thrill's built to last. Ooh, pulling the sheet. I got that magic wind sucking me. I wear my lipstick like a loaded gun. Snap my gum when the job's begun. I got a secret talent, honey, it's true.
Okay, guys, I think we are done with the mixing of this picture. Remember, retouching isn't all about removing the picture from what the picture looks like. It's all about beautifying the picture. So, and try everything possible and to make it realistic. Okay, so if you check this picture right here, this is before and this is after. You will notice that we've done a whole lot of work here before, after. Okay, so the next thing to do right there is to pick some of those spots that is still on her face. Okay, you need to pick it out, and to do that, we'll make use of our high texture layer here. Remember, in process of separating the tone and the texture, which is a frequency separation, we put them in two different layers. Okay, so to work on the texture right here, I will make the texture layer active. Then I'll pick my clone stamp tool and I zoom to the spot I want to get rid of. I click my alternative key together with left click my mouse and pick from the good side close to the spot and release the alternative, then paint on the spots. That is how you get rid of the unwanted spots from the skin, not just spots, lines, anything at all that you want to get rid of. When you are done mixing the skin, this is how you do it. And remember, retouching isn't what you do in a hurry. You take your time during retouching, and you don't master retouching in a day. You practice over and over again, because different skin, different light, different pictures, so you practice over and over again and watch different retouching videos on different skins, so you master your retouching. Okay,
I'll suck it so hard, you're pulling the sheets out your ass. Hold on, honey, this thrill's built to last. Ooh, pulling,
okay, as you can see, we have picked all those spots out. Okay, so the next thing to do right here, I want us to balance this white thing on her eyes before we do the skin tone of this image. Okay, and to do that, we'll go to our solid color right here, create a white solid color. Okay, so right here we work with the blending mode. As you can see, this is multiple, this is color, this is linear, this is spin, this is lighting. So you work with the blending mode, overlays, soft lights. Okay, soft light is okay for this image. Click on soft light. So as you can see, the effect apply all over the image, which we don't want. We want it only on the white stuff on our eyes. So we invert this mask side here, Control I or Command I to hide it. Then we'll pick our brush tool, opacity 100, flow 100, brush will be on soft round brush. Okay, so we paint on the area that we want the effect on. Okay, so you take your time and paint on area. So as you can see, so if it's much, you can as well drop your opacity. Okay, so this is nice. Okay, so now we merge everything here with the frequency separation. Now there are many ways to do skin tone here. Okay, if you're using my pack, I have dark skin tone here, different dark skin tone. If you use this, you can achieve the skin tone. As you can see, this is dark skin tone. You can merge these layers, group them together, and you can drop the opacity to your satisfaction. Okay, so but this is not the way I skin tone the reference picture. Okay, so let me skin tone it the way I skin tone the reference picture. First thing I did was to add a little light with curves. So I click on my adjustments and pick my curve, then I take it up a little. Then I move to the blue right there So if you take it down, you apply a little yellow. You take it up, you apply blue. So I adjust it to my satisfaction. So I get to this result, which is the first result, and I was not satisfied. Not that this result is not fine, it's beautiful, but I needed to do some stuff again. So what I did again was to go to my color lookup and add my medium skin tones. Okay, I use the first one there. As you see, this is what the first one gives, the medium skin. Okay, so this is the first one, and I turn it off. This is the second one I used, which is this second to last here, as you can see. Okay, so this is how I achieve the 3 shades of skin tones that I showed you guys at the beginning. Okay, so let's work with this first. Okay, so I merge everything together here, as you can see. Okay, so the next thing I did was I take this image to camera raw filter. So here in camera raw filter, I move the texture a little to add texture on the image. Okay, so I move to light and add my black a little to give a little contrast on the image. Okay, so I move to color here. So I take it out from the yellow to the blue a little. Okay, so I move to details and add a little sharpening. Remember, skin tone or color grading or color adjustment is all about from the system to your eyes. So your eyes will give you what you want before you stop to your satisfaction. Okay, and remember, there is no competition in art. Okay, the skin tone I achieve might not be exactly the shade you achieved. Okay, but you have to do something beautiful. Okay, so this was how I achieved this picture. Okay, so this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. So if you need this my all-in-one retouching presets, you can check my channel description. You need my medium skin tones that I use there, you can check my channel description also. Okay, so go and download them. Okay, so and if you watch this video to this end, you are a pro. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial. I love you guys.